When we started checking modern Chevrolet Trax models in the shop, one of the most common problems reported by customers has to do with the electrical and multimedia system, especially the touchscreen, Bluetooth, and rear-view camera. They tell us things like, the screen freezes or goes black, or the Bluetooth disconnects for no reason, I don't even move my phone. We explain that most of these issues come from software or how the multimedia unit communicates with the hardware. There isn't always a recall, but in the shop we usually recommend software updates for the infotainment system, and when problems persist, even replacing the unit. We've even noticed that disabling features like wireless CarPlay sometimes reduces these screen errors. As we say among mechanics, most of the time the car just needs to be taught how to speak properly with its own system. And of course, when electronic systems start to fail, problems with sensors and driver assist features can also appear, like stability control or automatic braking. Some customers bring in their Trax with the check engine light on or safety warning messages that have no obvious cause. In the shop, we check sensors and connectors, and almost always a recalibration or system adjustment makes those warnings disappear. We also encounter buttons or controls that stop responding temporarily, but many times they just need an inspection and cleaning of contacts. Linking to this, another common issue we see is engine faults or power loss, sometimes accompanied by high oil consumption or problems with injectors and the fuel system. Some owners report that service detected issues in the injection system or abnormal oil consumption, and in more severe cases, injector rails or the injectors themselves had to be replaced to get the car back to normal performance. Although less frequent, we've also seen reports where the engine developed serious faults shortly after use, and in those situations, the warranty plays an important role in covering the repair. In the shop, we always say, the engine is talking to you. You need to listen before the problem gets worse.